Our model today has soft wavy bleached hair. This texture of hair can be quite fine and dry due to the additional colour in the hair. To start, we wash the hair with Bocato Saturate Intensive Moisture Shampoo and Treatment. After towel drying the hair, we spray in Bocato Detangling Conditioning Spray and comb through to add moisture to the hair. This replenishes moisture to even the driest and damaged hair. This type of hair is extremely porous and prone to breakage. Shake the hair, style and leave to dry naturally.